What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So one of the biggest festivals in China is happening right now. It's Chinese New Year. I'd like to wish all my Chinese friends and colleagues, all of you that are watching, a big happy Chinese New Year. I hope this new year brings you guys a lot of luck, health and fortune. Now first of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to Abacus, which is a brand new technology news website, and I'll put their links in the description box below. Now Abacus have sent me this mystery Chinese New Year gift box. I have no idea what's inside or what to expect, so let's open this mystery tech package and see what's inside. This is a total surprise. I can see a lot of red. Oh, messages. Let's have a look. Here we go. We've got a big red box here which says Happy Chinese New Year, and you've got the company name Abacus. So I've got a note here, let's read this together. It says, Dear Chigs, Happy Chinese New Year. We hope you enjoy your Abacus gift box. Please feel free to share the unboxing with your followers, which I am doing. And I'm also going to tag them in Twitter and Facebook. Their hashtag is Abacus News. So very nice touch. Now let's see what's inside this box. It's been described as a mystery tech box. Oh, I like that. Let's see what's inside. Wow. I love surprises. And speaking of surprises, I am going to announce the Valentine's Day giveaway winners on the weekend, and they are going to also receive their special surprises very soon. So let's get this open. Wow, nice. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's take it out. We've got a wooden box here, mahogany. Let's see what's inside. I've got something in this bag as well. I'm going to take everything out on the table first of all. We've got a card. A Abacus leaflet. A PowerPort wireless 5 pad. So I'm not sure what this is. USB charging brand. I'm assuming this is a wireless charging pad, but we will check that out in a bit. We've got a Abacus book, or a notepad, I guess. Interesting. And the final item is this fabric box. So let's see what's inside here. I'm going to take everything out on the table and move the box out the way. This is everything I got in the gift box. Now I'm going to have a closer look at things. So we've got this pouch here, and there's something inside. So it says Rubik's. It looks like a section of a Rubik's cube, but if we twist it, oh, there's a light in the front. Awesome, look at that. So this is basically an LED torch. That is so cool. I really like that. And you got the keyring at the end. Cool, interesting stuff. We've got a card here. Let's quickly open it up and have a look. Oh, okay, you've got a number of cards. So I'm not sure what you do with these. They seem to be some sort of envelopes. I thought they're cards, but they're actually envelopes. So I don't know, is that for money, possibly? Do let me know in the description box below if you can identify some of these things. Okay, we've got the wireless pad, which I'm pretty sure that's going to be a wireless charging pad. So over here we have the Anker wireless charging pad, and it works via micro USB port, which is just there. I'm quite familiar with the brand. I've used Anker products before, so they provided quite a good quality wireless charging pad. Very nice of them. I've got this notepad here. It seems to be some sort of notepad. The actual paper feels quite different. It's quite rough. We've got this leaflet from the company Abacus Unboxing China. It says on it, and it gives you a brief background on them, I guess. Oh, I recognize this. There's some beads counting going on there, and that's what we had in there. So that's probably what the beads are. How to use an abacus. Okay, so some sort of counting system. Yeah, seems complicated. Let's have a quick look at it. So here we have these beads. There seems to be something underneath there. I'll just lift this out and see what that is. What is that? I don't know what that is, guys. I have no idea what that is. It's some sort of coins. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of these coins. That's what they look like. No idea what they're for, but I'd probably read that manual and it might make more sense. So you got these beads with the Abacus logo at the bottom. And again, it explains it well in there, what it's actually for. And finally, we have this box with a leaflet on the top which says, "Welcome to Abacus. We are all about China tech and the rest of the world." We have a small box here made from mahogany. It looks quite nice and it's finished with all of these metal pieces all the way around. And if we just open the clip, what do we have in here? A whole bunch of goodies. All right, so we've got something in here. It could be a coin of some sort. Got no idea. Yeah, it's another one of those coins with a square center. Do let me know in the description what exactly these products are. I am very interested, and it's the first time I've actually seen them. Now, what is this? This actually looks like a sweet to me. It feels like a hard candy. It probably is. And then what else have we got here? Haw flakes. That's what it says on there. It says haw, H-A-W, flakes. Ingredients, it says haw and sugar. Now, I don't actually know what haw is, H-A-W, haw. I don't know what that is. I will look that up. Very nice, interesting stuff there. We've got another sweet here. It says white rabbit on there. It's a sweet. And over here we have another sweet, a green one. It says Yan Chim Ki. Let me know what Yan Chim Ki is. I could Google it, I guess. Now we've got this gold thing here. Wow, it does feel quite heavy. It doesn't feel hollow at all. It actually feels quite heavy. It looks really nice. It looks like a boat. And again, you've got those round circles with a square in the center. I'm very intrigued. I really want to know what these are. So yeah, do let me know in the description box below. And finally, we've got this, appears to be a bulldog holding at that ship or boat. So that same boat, he's holding it in his hands. And he's actually standing on those same round coins. There you have it, guys. That was my mystery unboxing for the Chinese New Year tech box. Very nice gesture from Abacus to send me these lovely products to share with you guys. Definitely check out their website. I will leave all their links in the description. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year. I feel very humbled to receive these beautiful Chinese gifts. I do apologize for not knowing what some of these products are, but I have great faith in the viewers who I'm sure will help me identify some of them. Thank you for sharing your wonderful culture with my small tech channel. I actually feel like visiting China someday. All I can say is a big thank you. Have a great Spring Festival. Happy New Year, guys. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. And 谢谢你。